Hi, Manatee. It is time for us to read our first Sunshine State Junior book. Remember, there are 15 titles this year. 10 of them are picture books. 5 of them are beginner chapter books. So I had a wonderful time working with Mrs. Owens' kindergarten class. Big shout out to them and my e-learners from her class. And we got to read chapter 1. And I thought, you know what? I can't just read it to Miss Owens' class. I need to read it to everybody. I wanted to go ahead and share this story with you guys. And come to find out, it is one of my favorite primary authors, Cece Bell. Cece Bell has written so many books. And I was going through her biography, and she was actually inspired by when she was a little girl to write because she learned how to read using Dick and Jane books. Now, for those parents out there listening, remember these are the books that we learned to read on. And I actually just bought one of these because I was telling my intermediate kids this is how Mrs. Kubling learned how to read using sight words, and this is just how I learned how to read. Cece Bell, the author, said this is what inspired her to write um, Chick and Brain because it's a two people in the story, two main characters, and I just thought that was interesting tidbit. One of for my older kids, a couple years back on the Sunshine Junior list was I Am a Donkey. I loved this story, and again, Cece Bell wrote and illustrated this book as well. Her favorite thing to do is illustrating. So I also discovered that with her husband, who is a author. They have written Inspector Flytrap. There we go. Some little bit progress, probably second grade chapter books. Um, but these are some books that Tom Engelberger has written, and then Cece Bell um, illustrated. So there's lots of other books, and I went and ordered some more books for our library too that she has written as well because I want to have her entire collection. Something also interesting about her that I learned, um, Cece Bell is deaf, so you will see her wearing hearing aids, and I know some of our kids at Manatee do wear hearing aids or they use devices that help them to hear. But Cece shared that as a little girl, she was picked on. Um, because she had these things on her ears and was made fun of. And she wrote a chapter book called El Defo that won some big awards. So her personal story has really helped um, people who have hearing problems and have difficulty hearing that might use sign language. Um, and even for Cece, she uses lip reading. She will actually look to see, watch your lips to understand what you're saying. So, in a time where we're wearing masks, it's kind of hard for her to understand. But it was delightful to hear her biography and learning more about the author of Smell My Foot. Let's go ahead and read it, just chapter 1 together today. And I'm going to try to use two voices, one for Chick and one for Brain. Okay, so Chick will be my high pitched voice, and Brain will be my deeper voice. So, and it is a graphic novel. That means that it looks like kind of like a cartoon. So I will do my best to try and show you the pictures and read the story at the same time. So, okay. So chapter 1, Chick and Brain, Smell My Foot by Cece Bell. And of course, we want to give credit to Kennewick Press, the publishers. And here we go, chapter 1, Foot. Hello, Brain. Yeah, I know. I am Brain. No, Brain, no. I say hello. Hello, Brain. Then you say hello, Chick. Like this. Hello, Chick. My name isn't Chick. Brain, you look very smart. Yeah, I know. You are not very smart. Oh, yeah? Smell my foot. Let's see if I can get this in here. What? Smell my foot. No, I will not smell your foot. Oh, come on. Smell it.
Smell it now.
No, I will not smell your foot.
My foot smells good. My foot smells great.
Maybe your foot smells good. Maybe your foot smells great. But I will not smell your foot until you say, please. Like, please smell my foot.
Oh, okay. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Woo! That is something else. Now you can smell my foot.
No, no, no. You must say, please. Say please, and then I will smell your foot.
Oh, please smell my foot.
That is much better. Now I will smell your foot. Sniff, sniff. Wow! Your foot smells good. Your foot smells great.
Yeah, I know. You're welcome.
But I did not say thank you. You cannot say you're welcome until someone else has said thank you.
You just did. So you're welcome.
Arr. And that is the end of chapter 1. I love how Chick is trying to teach Brain to use manners. So make sure that you say thank you and please and you're welcome, all in the right order. I hope you enjoyed chapter 1 of Smell My Foot. I'm anxious to read the next couple chapters. But let's talk about some manners right now.